Good morning to all. I'm Tanya of class 11th. I'm here to speak some few lines in Manipuri language in front of you. I'll speak in English and then I'll speak in Manipuri language. You have to repeat Manipuri language. In English we say hello. In Manipuri language we say hello. Repeat. In English we say what is your name. In Manipuri language we say Adom Ming Kari Kaui. Repeat again. In English we say my name is Tanya. At the place of my name you have to use your name. In Manipuri language we say Igi Ming Tanya Kaui. Repeat. In English we say how are you, and in Manipuri language we say Adom Ngai Ribra. Repeat. In English we say I'm fine, and in Manipuri language we say E Nudai. Repeat again. Thank you and have a nice day.